Hey guys, hi. Patois Tuesday. Of course, I can't do no patois, so I bring Busta to you guys. The last patois video, I show you guys Busta in a pic. Now I went out and got some Busta, guys. That's from work. I'm at work. Less than a minute. I have to get to do this. Don't watch your fingernail. I cook curry and I still need to put my fingers some vinegar water. So enough of me now, and that I want to hide the label or anybody to copyright or sue me. So this is the Busta, right? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take out one, right? And this is how they package it. This is the candy here, and I'm supposed to show my work. This is how they package it. So look how neat that is. And that's the candy, coconut, ginger, you know, a lot of goodness. I'm gonna show you now, right? So this is what it looks like on camera with the top paper on top. You peel it off and you eat it. Here, bye.